Traitor.
Crunch is the detective.
Wait, what?
I'll take a sniper. Hell yeah, I'll take a sniper. I'll just pony you with it. I'll just walk around.
Okay, and then I'll go ahead and...
head off and force back
Okay,
and
so... Wait, you're gonna pay... Wait, you said you're just gonna pay today, right?
I already did to a different stronghold server. I used $15.
Wait, can you donate right now?
No.
When can you donate?
Ora, why did you grapple onto me?
I don't know, dude. I don't know. It's probably been a little while.
So what, like a week?
Damn it. Dude, stop grappling onto me. I can't get in there.
Well, a guy died of fall damage. I think Dan and Pink actually buffed the Spider-Man gun instead of nerfed. Hey, you just walk by the un-ID'd body optic swag. ID the body or I will kill you.
ID the body or I'll blow your face off and rape your family.
So you want my...
Crunch. Oh wait, no, Razan, I think that's a bit extreme what I just said. Did you hear me?
Why would you say that?
I need a body or I'll kill you.
I need his body or I'll rape you in the butt. I wish you could just get $20 instantly.
I'm about to have to be AFK temporarily. Take care of personal paper.
Ask your mama.
Hey, Archie Raymond, I just want to say I just had a chance to kill you, but I didn't take it. So, yeah.
Hey, Razan, have you noticed I'm a hacker king? Have you noticed that? I'm a hacker king. Dun dun dun!
Hack me aimbot.
I'll give you aimbot for $2 trillion and a candy
I want
bar.
to be a Lamb of God. I want to be a Lamb of God.
I think the last T's hiding in the T-tester room.
Sam, do you like my swag? Yep, TNT room.
Oh, yeah, TNT room.
No, you're right about you were right about something, but there was a body in here. It's not Razan.
Wait, the last T's in the T room?
Um,
Crunch, do you want to keep the T room with me?
I just put Moon's body in there. See,
You stay away from me.
Magic.
Alright.
Magic. Okay, it's un-ID'd body, and I'm not the problem. I'm not gonna search it either. I'm gonna run that crap.
Optic, why are you walking near me? Why are you walking near me?
I swear, if I see
What?
someone die over there, I'm
Alright,
calling
3,
KOS on Optic.
2, 1.
Okay.
KOS Optic, KOS Optic, KOS
You
Optic.
got murked. Okay, so Optic just got raped.
I am proven! Cause I said KOS Optic.
Sam, you're always true.
I'm gonna rape him. I'm gonna go rape him upstairs.
Oh no, me too. I wanna go.
You know how sick that sounds?
Oh my god, I hope I don't
What the?
I had nothing to do with that. All I know, I don't care. I bet you committed suicide, yeah. KOS face, god damn it. You dick. I'm staying down here, bastard. Come after me if you can, dick. I'd like to see you try. And after you're dead, I'd rape your body. I'm gonna go touch Moon Boy. Just kidding. That's going a bit too far. Okay, now I'm out. Sam out. Moon, I just saying this, Captain. You'll never catch me. You'll never catch me. Wait, do you wanna have a Mexican standoff, Captain? Just do it. Don't be a dick. I know you're a traitor. Come on, just talk. I know you have a mic. I'm not.
Dude, I know. Wait. Dude, come on, man. You said the Mexican standoff thing.
Yep, that's a Mexican standoff.
Actually not.
Yes, it is. You want to know what a Mexican standoff is? Whoever has a bigger.
Dude, a Mexican standoff is not close range rifle versus fully automatic. Anyway.